guys, what's going on? So, if it looks like I'm wearing pretty much the same makeup, the same outfit, the same earrings, the same everything, that's because very observant I am, because I just recorded a video and I figured why not just kind of pre-record a bunch of stuff. So yeah, if I'm wearing the same thing, then whatever. Alright, so today's video we are talking about an eyeshadow palette, another review, and I feel like reviews are important because you get to see the different opinions and different views of what other people have. You can just use your own smarts and own brain to figure out if you like or don't like a palette or anything, as a matter of fact. Anyway, we're talking about the Hush and Amber Scholl collaboration, her eyeshadow palette, the 24 Karat Gold Shadow Collection. This is the palette right here. So, if you guys are a lover of glitter, lover of like sparkle, shiny, shimmer, all that stuff, you might want to stick around because this has all that and more. So, without further ado, let's just jump right in. Let me just jump right in and talk about the packaging. So, first of all, this is what the packaging looks like. And as you can see on the back, it has the names of the shadow with beautiful gold embroidery around it. So, the packaging is beautiful. Black and gold looks stunning, I believe. The one thing I just don't really get is on the back with the names on it, it has like boxes on top of it, if you guys can see. And I don't really get the point of that. I mean, I guess it's just for design, but I feel like maybe if it had like the actual, you know, shade colors in it, that would be pretty cool. I'm not saying it's, you know, bad the way it is right now. I'm just saying maybe if it had like the different shadow colors in the boxes, that might be a cool idea. So, just an opinion, just a thought. I don't know, take it as you will. Alright, so on the inside you have a mirror, and on the inside you have 16 beautiful shades, most of which are shimmer, glitter, glitz, and glam. So on the screen, as I'm talking about the palette, I will be posting up different swatches and video swatches for you guys. So as I'm talking about the palette, you guys can see the different swatches and pretty much what they look like swatched on my arm. Of course, I feel like swatches can vary on how they're swatched, you know, where they're swatched, like your eyelid, your arm, or your fingers. There's so many different variables, but just for, you know, kicks and giggles, did a couple of swatches for you guys so you can watch them as I talk about this palette. Alright, number one, what is the price on this palette? I cannot remember off the top of my head, but I'll post it up somewhere on the screen. I do know it is pretty affordable because if you guys know the Hush company, they create palettes and different makeup and skincare stuff for what I feel like are very affordable prices. So if you're looking for a palette that is affordable and beautiful with lots of glitter and shimmer, Amber Scholl Cosmetics 24 Karat Gold palette is the way to go. Now, as you guys can tell by the up close of what I showed you, my palette is obviously not brand new. This palette does have a lot of fallout. I noticed like when I put it on, especially the glitter colors, not all the glitter colors, just like certain ones. And I say certain ones because the formula that created, I don't know how they make it obviously, but I do know when I swatch it, when I use it with a brush or what have you, I can tell the formula for different glitter and shimmers are different. And some of them do stay on nicely and they don't have as much fallout as the other ones. So if you're like a, you know, I can't have fallouts on my face or whatever, then maybe you might not like it. But honestly, fallouts shouldn't bother anyone. I mean, maybe it should. I don't know. It doesn't bother me because whether or not you do your eye makeup first or last, there's plenty of ways to prevent fallout from ruining your makeup. There's eyeshadow face shields. You can put like your own little piece of like tissue underneath. Do that little, what do you call it? A setting powder trick. There's so many different ways to avoid fallouts from ruining your makeup. So, but if you don't like fallouts, this might not be the palette for you. So one of the reasons why I do really love this palette, and I feel like it's honestly a good everyday wear, is because the colors are truly an everyday color, I feel like. You know what I mean? Like they have colors where you can put on and run out the door. It's for daytime looks, where if you want to have like a nice basic matte color, you can do that. If you want your daytime look to look basic but a little bit amped up with a hint of shimmer, you can do that. You can, notch it up 10 levels and make it a nighttime look with a crap ton of glitter on your eye. It's honestly day and night, versatile. I love it. Another great thing about these shimmers in this palette is you can, if you want, use it as like little highlights on your cheeks. I've done that a couple of times and they look pretty nice, pretty good, I feel like. So I don't really have too much to say about this palette. It's a nice basic with tons of glitter, tons of shimmer palette. If you like that and that's right up your alley, this is for you. And the best part is it is at an affordable price point. Of course, affordability is all relative, but we're just, it's an affordable palette, it's affordable in the sense where there's other palettes out there where it can cost you 10 times more than what this is costing you, maybe even more. So, it's an affordable palette, and I think it's great. If you love shimmers and basic colors, like neutrals, then this is for you. Alright, so with that said, that is pretty much it for the video. And I want to know what you think of this palette. If you haven't gotten it already, would you be getting it? Are you a basic neutrals, tons of glitter type of girl, type of guy, whatever? Or are you more of a, don't let any glitter touch me at all, because that's like, ugh, I do not like glitter. That's not for me. Comment down below what you like. Will you be purchasing this? If you have it already, do you love it? Do you hate it? I don't know. Tell me down below. And if glitter is up your alley and you want to know what it looks like on your face to put the Amber Scholl 24 Karat Gold Palette, then I'm doing a giveaway, you guys. Yes, this year, 2019, I'm trying to give back to you guys. And honestly, I'm truly grateful for this growing family we have, which, by the way, if you haven't already subscribed and joined this growing family, the Kwak fam, click subscribe down below. I'll be doing tons more giveaway this year, so click subscribe. So in this video, we are giving away the Amber Scholl 24 Karat Gold palette, the eyeshadow palette. So if you want to win this, then I will be listing the rules down below in the description box. So mosey on your way down. As you're going down there, you're going to be passing the subscribe button. So once again, click subscribe. Give it a big thumbs up if you like videos like this where I give you different reviews and thoughts, opinions, all that good stuff. And the giveaway rules will be down below in the description box, description bar, whatever you want to call it. We'll be giving one of these away. If you want to see what it looks like, here's mine. And this might just possibly be yours. So, if you want to win this, description box, read the rules. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night. I think I need a new outro for 2019. Let me know what it should be. A wonderful day, a wonderful night. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night. Wherever you are, I'll talk to you next time. Bye!